Unveiling your natural radiance. We all desire radiant, healthy-looking skin. It boosts our confidence and makes us feel our best. While countless beauty products flood the market, true beauty radiates from within. This essay will guide you to embrace natural beauty tips for a glowing face. We'll explore simple yet effective practices using common kitchen ingredients and mindful lifestyle choices. Nature's bounty for your skin. Nature provides us with an abundance of ingredients that can work wonders for our skin. Long before expensive creams and serums, people relied on these natural remedies to cleanse, nourish, and rejuvenate their skin. These ingredients are not only gentle, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote skin health. Kitchen cupboard essentials for a glowing complexion. Let's unlock the secrets of your kitchen cupboard. You might be surprised to find that some of the best skincare ingredients are already in your home. Honey, a natural humectant, draws moisture to the skin, keeping it hydrated and supple. It also has antibacterial properties that can help with acne. Turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can help calm irritated skin and reduce blemishes. It's also known for its antioxidant benefits, which can help fight free radicals. A simple face mask made with these two ingredients can leave your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Just mix a teaspoon of honey with a pinch of turmeric and apply it to your face. Yogurt, another kitchen staple, contains lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter skin underneath. It also has probiotics that can help balance the skin's natural flora. These readily available ingredients prove that you don't need expensive products for a glowing complexion. With just a few simple items from your kitchen, you can create effective and natural skincare treatments at home. The foundation of healthy skin cleansing and moisturizing. Cleansing and moisturizing form the bedrock of any good skincare routine. Cleansing rids your skin of dirt, excess oil, and impurities that accumulate throughout the day, allowing your skin to breathe. Moisturizing, on the other hand, replenishes the skin's moisture barrier, keeping it hydrated and preventing dryness. Choose gentle, non-comedogenic, which means they won't clog your pores, cleansers and moisturizers suited for your skin type. The lifestyle glow-up, hydration, and sleep. These two elements are often underestimated but are fundamental to our overall health and beauty. The quest for radiant skin extends beyond topical treatments. It's deeply intertwined with our overall well-being. A balanced lifestyle, including proper hydration and adequate sleep, is essential for achieving that natural glow. Hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining skin elasticity and plumpness. Drinking enough water daily ensures that your skin remains supple and resilient, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin cells healthy. It also aids in digestion and circulation, which are vital for a clear and vibrant complexion. Sleep, often overlooked, is when our skin repairs and regenerates itself. During deep sleep, the body increases blood flow to the skin, which helps repair damage from UV exposure and other environmental stressors. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to rejuvenate, resulting in a healthier and more radiant complexion. Consistent, restful sleep also helps reduce dark circles and puffiness around the eyes, giving you a fresher, more youthful appearance. Shielding your sparkle. Protecting your skin is essential for maintaining its natural beauty and health. Protecting your skin from external aggressors is paramount in maintaining its health and radiance. This involves a consistent skincare routine that includes cleansing, moisturizing, and using products suited to your skin type. The sun, while essential for vitamin D synthesis, emits harmful UV rays that can damage the skin, leading to premature aging, sunspots, and even skin cancer. It's crucial to understand the impact of prolonged sun exposure and take preventive measures. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher daily, even on cloudy days. Reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're swimming or sweating, to ensure continuous protection. Additionally, avoid smoking, which damages collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles and a dull complexion. Smoking not only affects your skin's appearance, but also its ability to heal and regenerate, making it more susceptible to damage and aging. Embrace the journey to radiant skin. Achieving and maintaining healthy, glowing skin is a journey, not a destination. By embracing these natural beauty tips and making them part of your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to unveiling your natural radiance. Remember, consistency is key. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process of nurturing your skin from the inside out.